In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream video on Wix. Live streaming can be a powerful way to engage with your audience in real time, allowing you to share ideas, host events, and create dynamic content. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can master this skill with ease. First, let's begin by heading over to the Wix homepage. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website. Here you'll be able to make changes, customize, and most importantly set up a live stream. After you've accessed your Wix dashboard, the next thing you want to do is look for the quick actions section. This feature is designed to save you time by putting the most commonly used tools and options right at your fingertips. By selecting quick actions, you're streamlining the process and getting one step closer to setting up your video live stream. Now that you have quick actions open, in the search bar you need to type in video live stream. Wix's search capabilities make it easier to locate specific features, and by typing this phrase you will pinpoint the exact tool needed to proceed. Doing this ensures that you will avoid wading through a sea of unrelated options, helping you stay focused on your task. Once you've typed video live stream, you should see an option pop up labeled video live stream. Simply click on it. What this does is direct you to the necessary tools and integrations that Wix offers for live streaming. At this juncture, it's important to have a clear vision of what you want your live stream to accomplish. Whether it's an announcement, a class, or a special event, this stage is crucial for setting up the specifics of your stream. Now onto the final and crucial step. Installing the app required for live streaming. Click on Install App to begin the setup process. It's worth mentioning that on rare occasions there may be temporary issues with installation. In such cases, patience is key, and it might be worth checking Wix's support pages or forums for additional help. And that wraps up the steps necessary to set up a video live stream on Wix. By following these simple instructions, you should now be ready to go live and share your content with the world. Remember that consistent practice and familiarity with the platform will make each future live stream smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your live streaming adventures on Wix.